Jackie Lee, runner-up in season 5 of NBC's The Voice, as she sings our national anthem.
Stripes and bright stars, the rule of perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we won, were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets raged that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the from New Jersey, runner-up to The Voice last season, doing a beautiful rendition of the national anthem. The Fanatic, as you can see, clearly approved. Just 16 years old, and the command that she had over everyone here at Citizens Bank Park, so impressive.
Talk about the cheers and some of the jeers that some of the players received. Surprise, Jonathan Papelbon, I guess not playing too well. He got boos here.